Hey everyone, this is Marcin and today I am coming to you with another product that I just released. Few weeks ago, maybe month ago, I released my LUTs, which to be honest got really great review. People I talked to, people were messaging me. In fact, some of the work I'm doing, some of the professional retouching work I am doing, and the photographers I collaborate with were really impressed by the LUTs, and many of them started using my LUTs before. But also, what was the case, I was very often asked about the Lightroom presets, why I didn't make the Lightroom presets. So I thought, why not? I'm trying to fulfill everything that is expected from me. So I spent some time trying to develop the Lightroom presets that would be very similar in the terms of colors and lights to my retouching work I'm doing on the daily basis. And here we are. I just released Lightroom preset pack on my shop on Selfie, as you can see, all together with loot pack, with actions. I was making the videos on actions before, I was making the videos on the LUTs before, and now finally the Lightroom preset pack is also in my shop. So for those who are interested, link in the description. And now let's go to Lightroom and I am going to explain you how to install the Lightroom presets to your Lightroom and how you can use them. So I'm going to Lightroom, and this is a very fast process. Once you get the download link from the Selfie, and you will get Marcin Presets zip. If I don't change the name, that's Marcin Presets, and inside is the folder titled Marcin Presets with all of the presets inside, 15 presets. If there is different number, that should be something wrong, but I'm pretty sure there will be 15 presets. So what do you need to do? You need to hit right and copy Marcin Presets folder. Now, as we are in the Lightroom, we need to install them to the Lightroom. So I'm going to hit Lightroom, Preferences, and now we have to pay a little bit more attention because installing presets is different than it used to be before. Of course, I'm talking about the newest version of Lightroom 2018, Lightroom Classic. So once again, and the same as before, we need to click Show Lightroom Presets folder, and it sends us straight away to the Lightroom folder, but it's not somewhere we're going to go. We are going to Camera Raw folder instead. Why? Because now presets are XMP files, which are also the files for Camera Raw. So now the presets can be used in Camera Raw as well as in Lightroom. Once I open this, I'm going to Settings, and this is the place where we paste our presets. So now it's done. I need to restart my Lightroom. Basically, I need to quit this and then reopen again. So that's what I'm going to do. Once you reopen Lightroom, and once you're in Develop panel, you go to Presets, and our presets should be located under User Presets. So I'm going to open this, and you can see how the preset looks like simply by putting your cursor on the preset. And if you want to use the preset, you simply have to hit on that and your preset will be applied. So I'm gonna quickly show you some other presets. As you can see, they are rather universal. I try to make them match to each kind of image. Of course, it's quite impossible to make something suitable for every image. So if you will find the image and some preset doesn't work on that, just test other ones, because these presets, first of all, they are universal and match to most of the images, and also they are very diverse. So if one preset doesn't suit, the other will suit. Another thing I encourage people, make sure if you find your image a little bit too dark and preset doesn't solve this issue, you can always develop the image a little bit more by yourself. For example, if you want to pull up a little bit of exposure, if you want to increase the contrast a little bit more, you can always play a little bit more with the presets you installed. Thank you for watching, enjoy the presets, and I'm going to talk to you very soon in the new video.